In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to connect a solar panel in Rust. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. A solar panel is a great source of energy to power up any devices that you have around your base, such as cameras. So in this example here, I'm gonna teach you how to hook up the solar panel to a battery and then to a splitter to power up different cameras. But you can do this with anything that needs an electrical output to charge or be used. First, you will need a wire tool. This is what allows you to connect all of the devices and make sure that they are receiving the electrical output from the solar panel. When you hover over the solar panel while holding the wire tool, you will be able to see the electrical output at the corner. So find the electrical output and then you can connect it to anything that you wish to use the energy for. So for example, a battery. So basically you use the wire tool and you hook up the electrical output from the solar panel into the power in of that specific other device, for example, a battery. This will allow it to charge. If you connect it to something else, of course, it's going to be slightly different, but the logic is the same. You go from an out to an in. And then you can connect the battery to anything else that also requires energy, such as a splitter. So in this example here, you connect it to the power in of the splitter. So the power is going from the solar panel into the battery and then finally into the splitter. With this done, you can use the power outputs of the splitter to charge different devices, such as cameras. So you connect them into the power in of each of these cameras and you are good to go. There's no secret. You simply have to apply the same logic and use the wire tool to get these connections established. And this will work with any device that needs power. The power will be originating from the solar panel as long as it is properly positioned, and by using a wire tool, you just have to find the electrical output. I hope I was able to help you on how to connect solar panel in Rust. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.